Bet you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It is your baby girl, Echo's first daughter, Echo Abigail, in the building. Yes guys, good morning. It's currently 11:20 a.m. in the morning. I woke up so late today. I just woke up, you can see my face. I woke up so late, and regardless, I will bring you guys to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a different video, bringing you to my kitchen. And why I'm bringing you to my kitchen to show you how to make a noten pap. It is a noten pap in this part of Nigeria. It is from the Hausas, yes, and it is called kunun chinkafa. That is, the meaning is rice pap. This rice pap helps breastfeeding mothers to have breast milk flowing. If you are a breastfeeding mother and you're looking for breast milk, my sister, look no further. This pap is the bomb. Like, I kid you not, this pap is the bomb for you. Just take this pap. Naturally, it is not just for breastfeeding mothers. This pap is very nice, it is very healthy, it is nutritious, like, name it, for everybody, young, old, adult, babies, even for your baby. Like, it is very nutritious, I honestly tell you. I'll be bringing you guys to my kitchen to show you guys how it is being processed, and I'll also be researching on all the benefits and be linking it in this video so you can see it. But I am very sure for breastfeeding mothers how it will make your breast milk pump hard, in case you are looking for what to pump your breast milk for you. So I'll bring you guys to my kitchen to see the process from A to Z. Okay, I'm putting on baby boy's clothes today. So yeah, so let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you guys how to make this pap. You will come back to this channel to testify. Please drop me comment of testimony if this pap worked for you as a breastfeeding mother, and if not as a breastfeeding mother, if your children love this pap, and if not for your children, if your husband love this pap, because it's good for you, get it. And if not for your husband, if you as a mom, as a young girl, love this pap, come back and drop me some testimony. Let's dive to my kitchen.
La, 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 la.
So in making this pap, you'll be using 3 main ingredients for it. You'll be needing rice, which is what I'm touching right now, and it's not your regular type of rice. Sugar, and which is optional. If you want, you can take it without sugar. And also you'll be needing a grinded groundnut. This inside this container is a grinded groundnut, just groundnuts that is grinded, that's all. So I store mine inside this container and it doesn't spoil, it lasts so long. This is me showing you what the grinded groundnuts looks like.
Your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow.
You'll also be needing a shifter or a sieve. This cloth I'm holding, you use it to sieve out the starch from the grinded groundnut. Here I'm showing you the type of rice you'll be using for this pap. It's not the regular type of rice, so take a look at it. This rice is that type of white rice that is very easy to cook. It's this white rice that I don't know how to explain it, but this white rice is very, very soft to cook. Like, it doesn't take up to more than 5 minutes to cook. It's not your regular type of rice that you cook for your family to eat. You get it?
Without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
I even had to step out just for you guys to see the rice properly. And be aware that this rice has a lot of dirt in it, like it has a lot of sand in it. You need to carefully pick your rice, pick it very well. So now I'll be measuring out little quantity of rice that I will be using. As you can see in the video, I did not use a cup. I just used my hand to measure out just a little rice, because this rice used to rise. When it rises, it will fill your pap and you don't want a lot of rice inside your pap, so just get little quantity for it.
Do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready.
So this quantity of rice is okay for me. It's even a little bit a lot for some people. You don't need a lot of rice because what you need more is the groundnut, the grinded groundnut. That is the main ingredient for this pap. So this is me picking out the dirty in the rice, pick out sands.
You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be
These are the sands I got out of the rice.
scary. You just gotta follow the light.
I went ahead to wash this rice with cold water, and this is to remove extra sands from the rice. This rice has a lot of sand, so you have to be extra careful. If you can see in the video, there are still sand after I washed out the rice. Then I placed my rice inside the pot, added water, and I will be cooking it for like 2 minutes. After cooking my rice for like 2 minutes, I will wash it and set it aside. Now on to the next. I'll be bringing out the amount of grinded groundnut that I'll be using for this, and this is what I am doing. So now you dissolve your grinded groundnut. This is what I am doing, as you can see. Then I'll be pouring in water. Then you just press. Just press it to dissolve. That's what you just need to be doing here, okay? Press and press. Then
You're able to be happy. You can do whatever.
adding water. I love adding in water. It helps me dissolve it faster. After dissolving your groundnuts with water, now you go ahead to sieve it or shifter it using the cloth I showed you earlier. Then now you bring out the juice, the milk from the groundnuts using this cloth.
Whatever you like.
These are the chaff I got out of the groundnut after shifting it. Whoa! As you can see, look at this milk. Look at this juice. This is the juice we got out of the groundnut alone, okay? You just continue shifting it or shiftering your groundnut until it gives you all the milk in it. Then you can take out the chaff. This is our main sauce. Our rice has been washed and set aside, as you can see. Now I'm adding the milk, the groundnut milk, inside the rice. You see? Then you turn it together. Turn it. Let the two of them marinate and marry each other. Turn on the light, turn on your fire, and let it cook. So it's cooking for like 2 minutes. I opened it and I'll turn again. This is the work in this pap. You just have to stand close because it doesn't cook for more than 10 minutes. You have to be close. So you open, you turn, you open, you turn, you open, you turn. That will be your work.
You don't have to be ready.
If you should leave your pot and step out, it will boil up and throw away the cover of your pot. So you have to stand close. It doesn't take time. You just stand there, open it, turn it. You cover, you come back, you turn it. Then when you see that your rice is soft or tender the way you like it, and the thickness is already the way you like it, then you can stop.
You don't have to. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself.
As you can see, my rice is just the way I want it. Now adding my sugar. Yes, I add in the sugar while the pot is still boiling.
'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of it.
So look at that juice, look at that milk. Oh, this is how your breast milk will be pumping. Honestly, this milk, this pap is the bomb. This pap is very nutritious for breastfeeding mother, for babies. Just give this to your infant, you will love it. And voila, we are done. This is me. I dished out some for myself and we're gonna take it down. This pap is very good. Try it out and let me know in the comment section if you love it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And bye. See you guys in my next video.
Oh, yeah, you just gotta let them fly.